Ramp up the cardio. Tips to reduce belly fat.
Ramp up the cardio. Health and Fitness University. Engage in aerobic exercises which get your heart pumping. It also burns calories quickly and leads to fat loss all over the body, not excluding your belly. You can't spot burn belly fat, but it's usually the first to burn off when you exercise, regardless of body shape or size. Track your progress. Track your progress by timing how long it takes to run a mile. As cardiovascular stamina improves, you'll notice the time going down. Correct shin splints. If you get painful shin splints, pain along the front of your shins when you run, you may be overpronating, landing with most of your weight on the outer side of your foot. There are shoes designed specifically to help eliminate or reduce this. Don't overdo it. When first getting into cardio, aim to work out 2 or maybe 3 days a week, then build up to 4 when you're able. Pushing yourself too hard doesn't allow your body enough time to recover and build up muscle and could lead to injury.